If your wealthy partner asked you to sign a prenup a month before the wedding, would you do it and how would you feel about it?
So hurt. If the one is like provider, you need to have a
It is important to protect our
Should assets earned before marriage be protected? If you were wealthy, okay, would you ask your partner to sign a prenuptial agreement to protect your assets? What's your name and age?
Ali and I am 20 po.
Ali. That's a very sweet name, Ali. Okay, so Ali, here's the question. If you were wealthy, would you ask your partner to sign a prenup to protect your assets?
Actually yes po. And it is important to protect our assets because it is serve as our future about and plan about the future. Yes po.
Okay, just making sure, right, for the future. What's your name and age po?
I'm Pauline and I'm 33.
You're so pretty, Ma'am Pauline. She's actually very cute. You're welcome. So, and Mom, here's the question. Okay, if your wealthy partner asked you to sign a prenup a month before the wedding, would you do it and how would you feel about it?
Um yeah, I will do it. It doesn't matter if I will sign it because for me if I love the person, so we have to have both decisions for that. So yeah, all good. Like, you know, for me it doesn't matter. So I can, earn my own money. Yeah.
How would you feel it? Like for example, right after your partner asked you to sign the prenuptial agreement, how would you feel about it?
I don't know, maybe nothing. Because I'm very independent woman, I can earn my own. So yeah.
Do you think if a woman doesn't have job or maybe like she's earning minimum wage, do you think it will have a problem?
It depends on the person. Maybe yes, because yeah, technically in the Philippines, like most women, is always like thinking that if they have a rich partner, they can be rich as well. So yeah, I think it will be a problem.
Okay, thank you so much for your honest opinion, ma'am. Okay, well, in your opinion po, should assets earned before marriage be protected?
What do you mean? Sorry, can you?
Should assets earned before marriage be protected?
Of course. Yeah, because it's hard earned money. I mean, you work for it, and then yeah, it's a hard earned money.
Okay. If you were wealthy, would you ask? Okay, last one. If you were wealthy, would you ask your partner to sign a prenup to protect your assets?
No. Yeah, because I believe that what's mine is also his, because we're one. I mean, like what I have, I can share it with my partner. So yeah.
What's your name and age?
I'm Nikai. I'm 23 years old.
Okay. I really love your face, like your yeah, your face, the feature. Okay. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question. If your wealthy partner asked you to sign a prenup a month before the wedding, would you do it and how would you feel about it?
For me, no, because um, as a woman, we need the um. I'm like if we get married, like
It's okay. It's a no because if you would get married, why? What?
if you get married, you have like if the one is like provider, you need to have a ano yun magka ano ate. What I mean po is hindi para sa akin like yung sinabi niyo po kanina is like about the prenup. Hindi po sa akin pabor yung ako hindi sa akin like kunwari ano yan mag-aano na kami ng marriage. Hindi po sa akin pabor na hindi niya like hindi siya mag-share nung yung mga
Wealth niya.
wealth niya kasi as for me ba't ka pa nag-asawa kung hindi mo man lang mabibigyan ng ano yung partner mo?
Oh, so what she said is she's not on favor on prenup because how do you say that in English? Like, what's the point on marrying someone when you're not, like, willing to share what you have to that person like that.
Yes, pero po para din po sa akin, if kaya rin magkaroon ng trabaho yung girl, parang mas okay na din po siguro, ganun.
Oh, so she said is if the woman or the girl has a work, then I think it's possible. Like,
Yeah.
if you were wealthy, okay, kung mayaman ka, if you were wealthy, would you ask your partner to sign a prenup to protect your assets?
Siguro hindi na.
No, why?
Kung kaya ko naman maibigay, yun.
Okay. So if she can provide, why not? So you're not really into prenup.
Mhm.
What's your name and age po?
My name is Christian Daxo El Rentoy and my age is 29 years old.
Okay. Okay, so here's the question po, sir. In your opinion, should assets earned before marriage be protected?
Yes, ma'am. Assets would be important for every marriage life like that.
So, yes, it should be protected, okay, before marriage. Now, if you were wealthy, okay, would you ask your partner to sign a prenuptial agreement to protect your assets?
Prenuptial agreement would be important.
Yes, they should. You will ask her to sign a prenuptial agreement because you said that it's important to protect the assets, of course, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it okay, sir, to ask if, like, what's your job?
My job for now is a local government unit employee po.
And you have a partner now?
For now, no.
No. But in the future, you see yourself asking her to sign a prenuptial agreement, right?
Yes.
Okay. To protect your ass. Do you think she will feel hurt or something? If you ask her.
My partners ay in the future should be heard if we split from each other, so the agreement should be fixed before we split in the future.
Okay, so that's why you really want to ask for it. Do you think she will be okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name and age?
Francine, and 19.
Okay, if your wealthy partner asked you to sign a prenup a month before the wedding, would you do it? And how would you feel about it?
So hurt.
So, what is that? Are you gonna sign a prenup or no?
No.
If you were wealthy, would you ask your partner to sign a prenup to protect your assets?
Yes. I asked that.
You will ask.
Yes.
Okay. May we know why? Like, your honest opinion. Like, why? Why would you ask him?
I asked that to protect that may something to I have, like yung kumbaga kung anong meron akong bagay na gusto ko din na meron siya, gusto ko pag-usapan namin para kumbaga same lang.
Okay, so what she's trying to say is that it's very clear from the beginning. If Francine has wealth, like Francine is wealthy or rich, you will ask a prenup. But if your partner asks you to sign a prenup to protect his assets, you will get hurt because your reason earlier was why he wouldn't share what he has, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just translate it for her because I don't know if she understand me. Ang sabi ko lang is, kung mayaman ka, gusto mong protektahan yung kayamanan mo. Day ka ma-share sa iya. Pero pag kung siya ang gusto yung protektahan yung ari-ariya niya, masaktan ka kasi gusto mong share ka mo. That's what you're trying to say, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's very clear. I translated it if that's what she really meant. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much, Francine. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection